Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Hello. How are you guys?
How are you?
I'm awesome. Everybody come to the middle board. Okay, so this session, this meeting is being recorded. Do you know that? Recording, yes. Do you see my face?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Do you see my screen? No, okay. So, okay, so how's the Udemy videos course? Are you having fun, difficult comments? Now is the time to talk. Do you like it? You don't like it? You hate it?
It is good.
Yusef, it's good. That's it. Give me negative feedback, please.
Let me
Things that
think
you don't
of
like.
one.
Okay, so did you finish the worldly maps and charts that change the world? Yes, is that correct? Did you do the quizzes in Udemy?
Yes.
Yes.
Are they difficult? Ayman, Yusuf, difficult?
They are related to the lectures. Like if you just focus with the lecture, you get it right.
Thank God. Okay, did you get full marks?
Yes.
Yes.
Hanan, Bashair, did you get full marks?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
You get full marks. Okay, was it difficult?
No.
Useful? Not useful. Which is your favorite tool chart that you have seen? No one? Okay. So anyway, I understand you finish this, yeah? Yeah. Have you seen worldly maps? Number 6. Have you done number 6?
Yes.
Okay. So which one of is your favorite case? The Tesla, Spotify, or A3PDCA?
A3PDCA.
A3PDCA is your favorite? Oh my God. Very good. Awesome. Excellent. Good. Anybody else? Any comments? So A3PDCA, if you go to any Toyota factory in the meeting, you will see that everybody has a A3PDCA paper, A3, and that's it. All the information of a project must fit into that piece of paper, and this forces managers to, you know, not put boring information or useless information in the project. Okay, so in the last lecture as well, you saw. Oh, so sorry, I'm in the wrong chart. I'm in the wrong. Matching games. Okay, good. So, do you have any other comments? Did we use a Miro board in this lecture? Nobody wants to talk. Okay. Chat. Hello. Do we have a Miro board in this lecture?
No.
I don't think.
No?
No? Okay. So we don't? The most fun. Yes? Please speak. Yes? Who's speaking? Yes?
You have a board.
We have a board?
Yes.
Where is it? I have a board recently. What's it called? I'm gonna find it.
CSBP412. It's there, sir, near my room.
This
no,
one.
this is for other course.
This is for the other course. That's why I'm confused.
This one for intro engineering. We don't have it.
Okay.
Some of you are in intro engineering, right? Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Good. So this is a Miro board, which is a very important visualization tool that we use in many places. And do you see it? So we're gonna create a Miro board for our course, because you will use it from now on. You will use it in your workplace for sure, and in cool lectures like this one. So I'm gonna create a Miro board for you for our course right now. So I will call it Visa. And if you can, will ask you to register to Miro. Okay, so I have it here. Okay. The internet is so fast and so slow at the same time. Hello, come on. What? Visa. Share. Save. Copy my link. Okay, good. So I'm gonna share it now in the chat. Right, so for those of you who don't have an account, just click on this link. Click on this link, and if you're not registered, register. If you are, I can see you. Hello, welcome everybody. Hi. Okay. Well. Okay, cool. So this is Miro. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Ayman, don't touch my post-its. Okay, so another thing. Is this the first time you use Miro boards? Very good. Is this the first time? No, okay. Who of you are you in my other class, Introduction to Engineering? Are you in my class of Introduction to Engineering? Who is in my class of Introduction? Everybody's in my class of Introduction to Engineering. Perfect. Who has seen personal maps? Everybody. Excellent, fantastic. Anyway, we're gonna do our Miro board here. So I wanna ask you about Worldly maps, and I want to ask you what do you feel about this tool and how do you like it? For example, Nura, did you like this Worldly map tool? Or somebody else? Yusef, Shanna? Nobody? Nobody wants to speak? Nobody? Okay, right. Good. So what we're gonna do today is I wanna catch up with you guys, and we're gonna do some exercise using Miro boards, and we're gonna do a Worldly map, okay? So I want you to divide in 3 groups. And so what we're gonna do is just make 3 random groups, A, B, and C. So choose a group. Yeah. And your task for today is to create a Worldly map. So I want to check if you got the Worldly map stuff. So Ayman and Yusef, you cannot be together. Okay, Ayman, Hanan, and Sarah, you're one group. Shamsa, Raya, and Shama, you're one group. Yusef, Salima, Ali, you're one group. Okay, good. So I want you to, Bashaya, okay, good, excellent. So I want you to create a Worldly map behind your post-it so you can zoom in into your stuff. And about the university, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw the axis of the Worldly map. If you don't remember, just look at the lectures and the slides. And then try to put 5 components using a post-it or some tool that you like of the value chain of the university. So remember Worldly map, you put the student at the top, that's the user. and you put the components that the student sees, yeah, of the university. And then you go down with the components of the value chain. So try to think about what are the components, what is the value chain of the university today. That means with the current situation. So, and what are the contact points between the student and the university? What is the value, right? So try to draw the value chain using the Wordly map example. If you don't remember the Wordly map example, so just Google one Wordly map template. And so here you have, for example, this one. I'm just gonna copy paste it here for reference. Damn, the internet is slow today. Copy image, right? So I'm gonna pass here a Wordly map. You can copy paste this into your own workspace. Thank you. So think about the components, put them here, or just draw your own Wordly map. And so think about the components. So for example, in this case, I'm gonna show you quickly the Wordly map of a cup of tea. Right, for example, this is the value chain of a cup of tea, right? So a cup of tea, you have a cup, right? And you have hot water. You need water to make hot water. You need a kettle, and you need power to build a kettle. So this is the value chain: power, kettle, hot water, cup of tea. And what is the value here, right? And so these are the connections between the elements. And here in the x-axis, you have the commoditization level of each component. So power is a commodity. Kettle is custom built in this example. I think it's a commodity as well. And so you can see interesting things. Yeah. So I'll give you 10 minutes to do this. And so maybe you need to chat with each other. You can use the chat here, or maybe we can do breakout rooms. Anybody has a suggestion? Shall I do breakout rooms for you guys?
Yeah, I think yeah.
Right, so I'm gonna do a breakout room for you. The problem is I think it's gonna do it randomly, so, or manually, okay. Create breakout room. So let's say number one. Who wants to be number one? We said, who wants to be number one?
Group A, Yusuf and Salima and Bashir.
Yusuf, Salima, Bashir. Okay, you're done. Number B. Who wants to be number B?
Hanan, Sarah, Ayman.
Salah Kharaiman. Okay, done. And number 3. All the rest. Okay, so open your mics, talk a lot, and let's see who's the best. Okay, so remember the Wordly map of the university in the current situation. It's a very difficult exercise, but it's not about who's right or wrong. It's about how you use the tool. Okay, so just chill out, have fun. You can use emojis, of course. Okay, so I'll be back in 5 minutes. Good. Hello.
Hello, doctor.
What's this? Zoom doesn't work well at all. Interesting. Wow, very cool. What about? It's terrible. Join 3. participants. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, guys. You can leave your breakout rooms. Come back to civilization. Okay, good. Everybody. Excellent. All right. Okay. Everybody, any comments?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll start with Group C. Group C, please. Can you explain your board? Somebody? Shamanura.
We're still editing.
Time is money. It's good. It's not an exam, don't worry.
Okay, I will explain it.
Okay, so let's see. Let me zoom in. When you explain a map like this one, where do you start?
I think from what we want to do, like course registration.
Yeah.
So the goal of our map is course registration. You can see that is related to classes where we can add or drop them using the e-service that is connected to UAEU website and UAEU server. We connect to the UAEU server using the internet, and we access the internet throughout the laptop that needs power. I think I explained that.
That's very good. So the student needs to register to a course. Yes.
Yes.
To be able to attend a class.
Yes.
Right? So what's visible to the student when I'm registering to a course? What is visible to me?
The course materials throughout the Blackboard.
Think about the physical world. I'm in my house, I'm registering to a course. What do I have in front of me? I have a laptop.
Laptop, yeah.
Right? So I have a laptop and I have a browser. Usually, what is it?
No.
Chrome. And then I have some website called what? Is that correct?
Safari also.
Come again? Yes. So I have a laptop. If I'm a student, what I see is my laptop, and then I see Chrome, and then I see the website. Yes?
Yes.
So what do you use to register? Because I'm not a student, I don't know.
We use the e-service, but first we need to fill the degree works.
Okay, so you have to use two things, e-service and the degree works, right? So, yes. And those
And
things
before
use,
that,
yes.
and before that, you have to sign in, right?
Jesus. Okay, I didn't know all that. Why is it not here?
Because we didn't have enough time.
Okay,
Yeah.
good answer. Okay, I'll give you 5 more minutes. Yeah.
Sorry, we told you to give us
So,
your.
so remove the things that are not exactly for this course registration, for example, and think about what happens if I have a terrible laptop. It affects my experience, right? What happens if I have a Chrome or Explorer? It affects my experience, but it's also part of the value chain, yes? Even though it's free, but it also affects how I will receive value. If my browser is very bad, it will be a problem. If my internet is bad, it will be a problem, right? If his services is bad, it is a problem. So, okay, try to link all these things now with all this new information. Yes, good?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. A next group. Group B. Hello, hello. Coronavirus. I love it.
Hello, doctor.
Awesome. Okay, so here you use a cloud to encompass all these services of the
Yes.
university. Lockdown browser, your salary. It's crazy. How many independent services do you have to do your job as a student?
Even tutorial speaking centers with them.
There's like more than 10 services. It's crazy, right?
Yes.
And here we don't have Miro boards and we don't have Zoom.
Yes, because this is from Jose. It's not within the university.
Right, but in your case, it's true. Like you have all these
Yes.
plus Zoom.
It can be also Slack then, and then LinkedIn. Then
Oh my God.
it will be all here, Aslan.
It's super complex.
Yes, it is a lot already.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the job you're trying to get done here is education or get a certificate from the university, right?
Yes, I don't know who removed certificate, but there was certificate.
So I think most students, what they want is a certificate so that they can get a job, right?
Yes.
So I think the value chain is get a job. How do you get a job? Like certification from the uni. How do you
Yes.
get the certification? Pass the exams, right?
Yes.
Some checkbook. And how do you do that with all this cloud of things you have here, right? This monster. So that's very interesting.
Yeah.
So why don't you put that? That clarifies a lot the value chain, like get a job, certification, pass some requirements with quizzes, exams, final exams, and so on. Yes?
Yes, okay.
Awesome, cool. What about this group? Group A. Group A, Yusef.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. What is this?
This is like we didn't connect the dots, but it's like a big cloud also,
Okay.
where we have a lot of things like e-service, email, Blackboard, Telegram, and
Okay, so
and what we want, like this is the commodities, like smart boards, classrooms, Wi-Fi, library, certificate, power, getting a job, an iPad, and laptop. And this is like
getting a job is not actually a thing. Okay.
it's part of the value chain. Is your main goal of the value, is the value that you want, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Very good. So we can put it here somewhere. Okay, good. Okay, so we can make these things smaller so we have space to breathe a bit.
Okay.
And then same feedback as the other students, try to think about the value chain. Get a job, certification. How do you get the certification? You have to do all these things. And then you have all these components that are part of the value chain to help you get the goal. And this will help you understand the business of the university and also to improve it. Okay, so I'll come back in 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Cool.
Sir,
Can we
Sir,
have...
Yes, yes.
are we on the right track? Our team is on the right track, or?
Everybody's on the right track. This is not an exam. This is a learning. So if everybody did it perfect today, what is my job? I will be jobless.
Yeah. No, I'm just checking to resume the work.
You're on the right track. I was expecting that after watching the video lectures from Udemy chapter 6, you would get faster at this, but that's why we're doing this exercise to check. And we will also do an A3 PDCA for the next lecture. So just to double check that you got the concepts right.
All right.
Okay, can you send us to breakout rooms?
No, I think it's fine because we're only 12 students. Just talk to each other, really.
Okay.
Okay.
The break rooms are quite quiet, so don't worry. No.
Oh.
اوكي روح.
Okay, we need to
أحس-
connect the dot.
ها سليمة شوف بنباعد بينهم. يا رب ما نزعج حد بس يعني بنباعد بينهم. اوكي.
قال صغروا الخط.
Okay.
Make it all 10.
wait. هلا اوكي.
حطيت الواي فاي more to the right لأن evolution وهوكي.
حلو اوكي. اوكي الحين بسوي كونكت بس ما اعرف كيف.
خلينا نحطي like WhatsApp more to the right. Zoom more لأن كل حد يستخدم. Telegram. It's like more invisible Telegram. Email more visible than Zoom, then that's like important. Oops.
اوكي زين. والاي سيرفيسز مهمة. اوكي بلاك هول سبيكينج سنترال. زين ليش حاطين نزيد شيء عند الجينيسيس غير البيلدينج يعني؟
I don't think. ما
نحط السيرفر مال الجامعة مثلا
I
يخصه.
think it's a commodity.
ولا
وفي
أوكي.
registration.
الحين خلينا نسوي كيف نسوي الكونكت. How do we connect them?
We need to know what connects to what. يعني نفس الزوم مو connected to our email. Email وإي service وبلاك بورد وإي library وإي classes
كلها connected. Okay.
كلها connected. والcertificate also connected I think.
وشو تسوي بالفاليوز؟ يعني الحين أحط اللي حاطه فوق get job بعد غير الجوب شو؟ نبى الجي بي اي مثلا يكون عالي صح؟
Not sure
يخصه؟
about. I don't think.
المشكلة حتى في الوادي ما في شيء اسمه values، ما أعرف من يصير يعني جوابها.
Wait, let's think. Hey, والجي بي اي خاصة في السيرتيفيكيت يعني if you don't have greater than 2 you cannot actually.
هي غير أصلا السيرتيفيكيت نحطها في الكوميديتي ولا نخليها مع الفاليوز فوق مع الجيت جوب؟ سليمة تبدين رأيك في الموضوع؟
ما أعرف لأن عشان شي ما يعني شو أقول مش عارفة أصلاً بالضبط.
Okay, let me help.
تعرفون شو أصلا تقدرون تمسكونها تسوون أيوة.
No, I will do it. Wait. Okay.
آخر شيء
Okay. How's it going?
It's okay-ish.
Okay, let's go to group C. Group C, are you ready to present?
No, we still have things to add.
Okay, so I will let you finish, and then the next day we will follow up. Yes, so I will let you continue the class by yourself.
Doctor, we will present.
You want to present now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's group B.
Group B. Go for it.
Okay, so first we have the Wi-Fi which connects us to. No, first we have the laptops, and then we open the laptops. We open the web browser, which is connected to the Wi-Fi, and from there we can reach all this cloud, like all these applications. And from this application, we have
Okay,
exams.
Stop. How do you pass exams these days?
By studying.
No, with a laptop, isn't it?
Huh?
With a laptop, right? So the laptop and the exam should be connected. Okay.
Oh,
so
okay.
I'll leave you some time to finish, and I'll see you next week. Okay.
Okay.
Next day we will continue this. So spend 10-20 minutes.
Okay, can you keep the Zoom open for a little bit?
Yes.
نزل الهواء روح.
اوكي نهد محمد.
بدي اشوفه. احس الايميل المفروض ما يكون هو اللي يطلع كل شيء.
It does.
متأكد ولا ويت مو بالاي سيرفيس حتى يكون الويب سايت مال الجامعة هو اللي يطلع كل شيء، يطلع الايميل، يطلع اي سيرفيسز، ويطلع البلاك بورد كل شيء.
أحس you can write like فوق الايميل ويب سايت او شيء ما اعرف شو اللي تبينه.
ولا اليو اي يو اب ولا شو يسمونه الويب سايت حقه.
احس الويب سايت الاب بعد ما يطلع
او
كل شيء.
نقدر نكتب السيرفر is connected to email وايميل يعطي كل هالاشياء.
الايميل ما يعطيها كذا الاشياء، الايميل ما يعطينا البلاك بورد صح؟ الايميل ما يخص.
It does. كيف تدخلين بلاك بورد؟
لا البلاك بورد يطلع مرتبط
يطلع الايميل، هي العكس.
هي بس we are not putting شو اسمه unidirection. We are putting like bi-directional arrows. It doesn't matter which one. يعني
بس
like,
كل بينهم يعني vice versa، عادي يكون كذي وعادي يكون كذي صح؟
This is like one arrow which means that Blackboard gives us an email but I'm not using this one.
حلو زين الحين نشبكهم كلهم باليو اي يو ولا شو نسوي موري؟ نشبك كلها معه؟
نقدر نحط كوميديتي السيرفر هو يعطينا الايميل.
اوكي